Have you ever seen the best sewing machine in the world? I'm so excited to show you. This is it, JUKI TL-2010Q. It got a perfect shape of a machine. It got a small size and easy to storage. The machine is suitable for all kinds of tailor work, whether it's making clothes or bags, get the best efficiency. Especially one touch button to move the feet dock up or down to prefer adjustment. It's just like an industrially sewing machine, strong and stable. It provides you a pleasant working atmosphere. It's made more fun and easy to using a sewing machine. If you want to be a great master, then JUKI TL-2010Q is the best choice in the world. I promise that JUKI TL-2010Q will bring you the greatest experience. This is JUKI TL-2010Q. You deserve a better future.